What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Olight Mini GL, and I'm going to see how it compares to the regular Olight Mini. So stick with me.
Ray,
Yeah.
what's the name of that nightclub of yours again?
You talking about the Boom Boom Room?
Yeah, the Boom Boom Room. That's it.
So guys, this is the Olight Mini Odin GL version. This is the one with the green laser, and as you can see, it has a throw of 180 and the max is 1000. Now if you look at the Olight Mini, it has a throw of 240 and a max of 1250. So when you take a look in the box, you get a nice thank you for purchasing their product. And then you have a pressure pad. You got your high and your low. Instruction booklet. And of course you got your light. Underneath you get a charging cord and your mounting material. So you got your bracket to mount it to your gun, your rifle. You get a couple of tools here. Quick look at the back. Y'all can pause that if y'all want. Here is your magnetic charging USB cable. It does light up green when your light is fully charged and red when the battery is still low. So that's pretty easy to use, convenient. Here's your light. So on your light, you got your quick detach bracket. Here you can see the settings for your green laser, your light and laser, and just your light. So I'm gonna give y'all a demonstration of what each setting looks like. And then I'm gonna compare it to the regular Olight Mini. So here's a side-by-side comparison. The Olight GL is a little bit longer. They both got the grooves around the outside of the flashlight. They both take the same USB charger. So I guess it all depends on what you're really looking for. I think the GL is a little bit more expensive. I think I bought this one a while ago. I can't remember how much I paid for it. But from what I see, it looked like the GL was a little bit brighter, even though it has a shorter throw distance than the Mini. But yeah, you can't go wrong with having that extra laser added on to your light, and the coloring of the light seems a lot brighter. So that's my thoughts and opinions on this light. I like it so far, and y'all let me know y'all comments and y'all feedback in the comments below. And thanks for checking out the video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.